It's a 2016 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. It comes with great features you'll love. Refrigerated box located in the console. Front heated leather bucket seats. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Honda Link. Dual zone climate control. V6 engine. Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof. Front and rear parking sensors. And automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride. Yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.